9 amazing benefits of drinking lemon water. A cup of lemon water is rich in vitamin C, and which is in abundance. This fresh cup will serve you with about 187% of the daily intake of vitamin C, which is highly recommended. In addition, you will benefit from such minerals as magnesium, copper, potassium, folate, thiamine, as well as a host of other vitamins. It is however important to note that lemon contains no fats, and so there is no fear that you will add weight after its consumption. We will break down for you the various benefits that come with its consumption. Helps with digestion. Lemon water is important for cleaning the digestive system and rehydrating the body, giving it a suitable kickstart and promoting better digestion. For optimal benefits, it is recommended that you consume it in the morning and warm. When you go to sleep, your body goes without fresh water for approximately 8 hours, which is the typical amount of time people sleep. You are therefore necessary to consume at least 2 to 3 glasses of water as soon as you wake up in the morning, and over time you will notice improved digestion and a more invigorated body. Remember to add a couple lemon slices for extra taste and nutrition. In addition, lemon water's atomic structure, which is similar to that of digestive juices, might stimulate the liver to release bile, so facilitating the transit of food through the body. It will help maintain a healthy digestive tract. In contrast, lemon water is crucial for treating indigestion and stomach troubles. Indigestion is essentially the discomfort one experiences after eating. It may sometimes be accompanied by pain, or a burning sensation in the stomach, which may indicate an underlying issue. By consuming lemon water, you can eliminate or prevent such events. With its presence, food digestion will be slowed down, giving the body adequate time to absorb all the essential nutrients. The slow speed is also significant since your insulin levels will remain stable, and your body will be able to absorb all the essential nutrients for appropriate organ function. With appropriate nutrient absorption, you will feel less bloating, heartburn, constipation, and other digestive issues. Detoxification. This is the process of eliminating all the hazardous toxins that your body may have. Several of these toxins are responsible for a variety of short and long-term issues that can be easily avoided by drinking lemon water. Detoxification can be performed by adhering to a certain diet that also includes lemon water, as even healthy items that you take on a daily basis might raise your toxin buildup. Due to the cleansing properties of lemon water, you can therefore eliminate toxins from your body. Consuming it heated is significantly more advantageous, and in my opinion, makes the flavor more acceptable. Lemon water stimulates critical body components significantly. This is due to its ability to stimulate specific enzymes, which in turn stimulate the liver. As a result, your body will be able to eliminate toxins, and you will become ill less frequently. This is a simple method of maintaining your health, because it accomplishes much more than detoxification. Due to the fact that it is a mild diuretic, you will find yourself using the bathroom frequently after consuming it, as your urinary tract will be busy flushing out harmful toxins. Hence, do not be worried by the frequency of your bathroom visits, as this is your body's way of eliminating harmful pollutants. Remember that drinking a glass of lemon juice daily, for just 1 week eliminates accumulated toxins from over 5 years ago. Strengthening the immune system. Lemons and limes are excellent providers of vitamin C, which is an essential ingredient for our bodies. This vitamin is helpful for maintaining a healthy immune system and warding against common diseases. It is also useful for regenerating damaged tissues and facilitating the quick healing of wounds and the maintenance of other organs. Your body cannot produce vitamin C on its own, so it must be supplemented with large amounts of this mineral. Most fruits are a good source of vitamin C, but oranges and lemons are particularly rich in this nutrient. Vitamin C, in particular, is essential to our existence, and is found in lemons. This is due to the fact that it is effective at stimulating the creation of white blood cells. As we all know, these cells are crucial for safeguarding our bodies from disease-causing mechanisms. The production of these cells is also attributed to the fact that vitamin C aids in the maintenance of strong bones and white blood cells. Vitamin C is also an excellent antioxidant, and will therefore aid in preventing oxidative damage to your cells. Basically, this nutrient prevents the oxidation of damaging chemicals that could cause injury. Lemon water aids in the battle against flu and colds, particularly during the cold season. Rejuvenation of the skin. Individuals frequently desire skin that is smoother and somewhat younger looking. There are various ways that individuals try to address this, but what they do not know is that the cure could be as simple as taking lemon water. You may have also observed that beauticians incorporate lemon into their treatments. This is due to the fact that the vitamin C can perform wonders for your skin. As a result of its antioxidant properties, it protects against the damage produced by free radicals, and keeps the skin looking young and healthy. Drinking lemon water is also helpful for your skin, in that the vitamin C present will stimulate your body into making collagen, which is responsible for smoothing out wrinkles on your face. This will assist you in achieving younger, smoother, and wrinkle-free skin, and will leave you feeling good about yourself. In addition, lemon juice has skin-lightening effects that can be obtained by applying the juice directly to the skin or by drinking lemon water occasionally. This method of skin renewal has been thoroughly examined, and numerous women and men attest to its efficacy. Applying lemon juice to dark spots left behind by acne will help prevent their return, leaving you with clear skin. Many individuals are unaware of this, and it may appear too good to be true. But it is best to try and see if you obtain these excellent outcomes. Weight loss. Many studies on the lemon's ability to aid in weight loss have now been completed, thus it is safe to say that this information is currently available. All of the aforementioned benefits of lemon water contribute to its capacity to aid in weight loss. Healthy digestion, a healthy immune system, and detoxification are integral components of weight loss. We are aware that weight loss is a nightmare for the majority of us, despite our constant gym attendance. Indeed, we can safely confirm that drinking lemon water can help you achieve your optimum weight. Avoiding unhealthy snacks and beverages, and replacing them with lemon water, will help you lose weight. For an added benefit, it is preferable to maintain your current weight reduction regimen, and add lemon water to your daily routine. For optimal results, it is recommended that you maintain a healthy, active lifestyle, in order to achieve your weight loss objectives. Consequently, a healthy diet, occasional exercise and physical activity, and hydration with lemon water, are considerably more beneficial. Pectin, a form of fiber found in the majority of fruits, is present in lemons, as demonstrated by numerous research studies. This pectin is believed to make you feel satiated and fuller, allowing you to go longer without eating. In short, this property suppresses hunger, resulting in weight loss. Moreover, it aids in accelerating the metabolic rate. A healthy serving of lemon water will also help keep those nasty mood swings at bay, and you will live a healthy, happy life, championed by your need to live better. Excellent source of potassium. Citrus fruits, such as oranges and limes, have a high amount of potassium, thus it is only natural that lemons also contain a big amount. Potassium is an excellent nutrient for supporting your muscles, heart, brain, and nerve function, and you should thus include it in your daily diet. It is crucial to other nutrients in the body, because it aids in the digestion and utilization of starch, and the synthesis of proteins. This makes the nutrient necessary for creating muscle and, consequently, for having stronger bodies overall. Moreover, potassium is an electrolyte, which implies that it is crucial for controlling the electrical activity in your body. It is utilized for electrical conduction, particularly in the heart. With insufficient potassium, you are at danger of suffering from heart-related disorders, which can be fatal. This insufficiency can also manifest as severe vomiting, or diarrhea, as well as kidney problems. You may also have low amounts of potassium in your blood, if you use high blood pressure drugs, or too many laxatives. Excessive potassium levels in the blood are equally unhealthy. This can be induced by kidney dysfunction and blood pressure medications, which are typically potassium-sparing diuretics. The onset of a severe infection might also be a symptom that you have too much potassium in your blood. A glass of lemon water twice per week is healthy. Try it out and live to tell the tale. Energizes you and boosts your mood. Lemon water is an excellent source of energy, since lemons are one of the few meals that have more positively charged ions. When these ions enter the gastrointestinal tract and interact with the enzymes, energy is released. This occurs because food is an excellent source of energy. Without it, we would shrivel up and die of starvation, of course. As a result of the molecules and atoms that are liberated during digestion, food provides our bodies with a source of energy. This is because a reaction happens when positively charged ions enter our digestive tract and interact with the negatively charged enzymes present. Thus, you may need to replace your caffeine intake with basic lemon water. Consuming this every morning can give you that energy boost you need to take on the day. Try substituting your coffee with lemon water. In addition to stimulating us, the aroma of lemon is also related with the capacity to improve our sour emotions. When you are in a nasty mood due to stress, the aroma of lemon is enough to perk you up, because it has the capacity to clear your mind of negative thoughts. The smell does this by altering the stress signs in our body, by considerably lowering them. But, drinking lemon water alone will enhance our emotions, and you do not need to smell a lemon every time you feel depressed. Drinking lemon water occasionally will indeed enhance your mood, and with time, you will notice a tremendous improvement in what you feel. As a result, you will be less likely to succumb to sadness and anxiety brought on by the unpleasant thoughts that run through your head every day. Balances pH levels. Research undertaken to determine the advantages of lemons for the human body have revealed that they are also beneficial for balancing our pH levels. This is because lemon is one of the most alkalizing foods, making it a must-have fruit. Despite the fact that lemons are acidic by nature, research have proven that they are rapidly changed into alkaline in our systems after consumption. This is because, following metabolism, citric acid does not create any acidity inside our system. In reality, lemons contain citric and ascorbic acids, which are mild, easily metabolized acids. Hence, once processed, the mineral content will help alkalize the blood. This alkalized state of the blood is crucial, because when our body's pH is excessively acidic, we are more susceptible to illness. A system that is excessively alkaline, known as alkalosis, is equally harmful. It might present as issues, such as loss of consciousness, dizziness, etc. Many of these can be caused by excessive alkalinity in the body, making pH equilibrium crucial. Regular consumption of lemon water is strongly recommended, as it will help neutralize the acidity in our bodies and restore a stable pH level. Also, the lemon water will help eliminate uric acid from our joints. Especially in our excretory organs, a buildup of these acids can create a number of difficulties, the kidneys and so on. This is because these acids are the primary sources of pain and inflammation in our bodies. Inflammations are frequently painful and harmful, resulting in swelling, fever, and the destruction of normal tissues. Helpful for treating kidney stones. Kidney stones are solid mineral deposits that accumulate in the kidneys over time. Typically, calcium oxalate is responsible for the formation of these stones, which can be effectively addressed with citrate. Citrate, which is abundant in lemon, is crucial for healing kidney stones. It is believed that a high concentration of this citrate, which is plentiful in lemons, can prevent calcium from combining with other chemicals and producing stones. With that in mind, it is therefore safe to conclude that it can best be used for treating and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Studies have also indicated that it will perform best if used alongside potassium citrate, which is just a supplement type of citrate. If you are intolerant to potassium citrate, however, you can drink lemon water. You should also routinely consume lemon water to prevent the growth of kidney stones. It is preferable to utilize it as a preventative precaution while you still can, despite the fact that it is also effective as a treatment. As a precaution, remember not to brush your teeth immediately after ingesting lemon water. This is because it is not safe for your teeth, as erosion can cause them to weaken. Instead, you should gargle with water before cleaning your teeth. With the numerous benefits of lemon water, you should not be hesitant to try it. Just add your preferred amount of lemon juice to your water before consuming them. For a healthier body, you can also begin gradually by drinking plain water for the first few days, then adding a slice or two of fruit the next time, and finally progressing to full fruit. So, drinking lemon water has been regarded as one of the most effective ways to improve health and well-being. It helps in improving digestion, flushing out toxins, boosting immunity, promoting weight loss, and more. Apart from these amazing benefits, drinking lemon water can also help in maintaining a healthy pH balance in the body, as well as providing a good source of vitamin C for better skin and overall health. With so many advantages that come with it, it is no wonder why so many people are making lemon water a part of their daily routine. You should too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.